It's personal for us, but we also recognize it's universal, and we want that to come through today.
Perfectly on time. That's gonna pump us up. So we got a few more ideas about the video shooting today with Mboso, and we are thinking to go with the topic of vulnerability. We want to explore the topic of vulnerability because not only it's a starting point for us to shoot those videos and to be in the right mindset, and we also hope that by sharing this point of view of vulnerability, we can also inspire you guys who wants to shoot videos and share about your work to have the right mindset. We will shoot 2 videos, one for me as a portrait and one for Mboso as a portrait, where we will share a little story for us that makes us feel vulnerable. Basically, where we have to be honest with you and with ourselves, and even if we feel weak to show this part of ourselves, we will still try to dive into it 100%.
Yeah. Vulnerability is something that everyone feels that is unique to them. Everyone feels, I can't do this, I see other people doing that, how do they do that, they're special. But usually the more personal something like this is, the more universal it is. So our goal and our aim, our hope is to open ourselves up, and we're going to be sharing what we know and sharing our personal experience. We want you to understand how universal it is. It's personal for us, but we also recognize it's universal, and we want that to come through today.
Et merci d'avoir visionné cette vidéo. Si ça t'a plu et que tu souhaites découvrir comment tourner des vidéos face caméra rapidement, clique sur cette vidéo ou sur le lien dans la description. Et au fait, si tu as trouvé ce contenu utile, alors s'il te plaît, partage-le. Un grand merci à toi. À bientôt.